Okay, so this is our series of problems finding tax, tips, discounts, all using percentages. I'm going to run through each one. Just so you know, I'm going to do one or two problems of each kind. The answers in this packet are in the back, okay? So you do the problem and you see if you're correct back here, okay? So this is how this goes. The first type of question is finding tax and total cost. The sales tax is 6.7%. Rapunzel buys a hat priced at $34. Now, we've been doing line equals line, so I'm going to stick with that. This is 6.7%, and 100 goes there. The total hat costs $34. So I'm going to cross multiply and divide. 6.7 times 34 divided by 100, that comes out to 2.278. We have to round it to the nearest hundredth. So the tax is $2.28. This 7 goes up. So that's the tax. The total cost is the tax plus the 34 plus original. So I do 2.28 plus 34. I can use my calculator, but I know that that's $36.28. And I can check my work by going back to the answers and seeing, okay, number one, 228, 228, 36.28. So I can check how I did. Let's do one more. This one's similar to that. I'm going to come down to this one because the sales tax rate is 6.6. If Buffy buys a hoverboard priced at this, what is the tax amount? So this question is only asking for the tax. I'm going to go all the way to number 4 because this one says the sales tax rate is this. Lemon buys a hoverboard at this. What is her total cost? So this one, you have to find the tax and add it together like you do up here, but it doesn't tell you to do that. So I'm going to first find how much tax I pay. So the price was $9.12, so I'm going to cross multiply 9.12 times 4.1 divide by 100, and this tells me that my tax was only 0.37, so that's 37 cents. That's awfully low, but that's correct. Then for the answer of this, I have to add 37 cents plus $9.12. So that equals, so once I set this up to find 4%, I need to find the total cost also. So this was my tax. And when I add these together, I'm just going to do it this way because I can do my calculator, but I can add. So my total cost is $9.49. And what I would do again is I would go back here and check. Number 4 is $9.49. If I got that wrong, I would see what I did wrong. So that's one kind, sales tax. Okay, the second kind I'm going to show you are related to tips. So notice it's either a 1 or 2 part problem. This one is the tip and the total bill, but down here it says what was the total bill. So you have to do both parts in this one. I'm going to do it the same way just because it's a little bit easier for some of us to keep track of the same thing. 800%, 18% tip. What was the tip amount? It was a $32 bill. So I cross multiply 18 times 32, divide by 100. That's the decimal. So this says $5.76. That's my tip. My total bill now is $5.76 plus the $32. So I'm going to add those together. I can do that in my head. That's $37.76. Okay, and if I want to check that work, I come back here. It's number 6, 576, 37.76. Okay, and don't forget, this one is the same. You find the tip and the total bill, and when you go for the answer, they just want the total bill. So, okay, so now I'm going to go to the third kind. Okay, everything revolves around percentages. This one is a markup. It's an increase. This first one, because it is a markup, is the tip and bill. I'm going to come down here to this markup. Markup is like profit. The store buys a product and then they mark it up. So we're going to do the same thing, 100%. They're going to mark it up by 40%. They pay $55.12 to buy the product. They buy it from wherever, and then they're going to mark it up to make their money. So we're going to find the markup first. So it's 55.12 times 40 divided by 100. The total, notice it says 22.048. I have to round it up. So the markup is $22.05. They're going to buy it for this, but they're going to mark it up by that much. So I need to add the markup plus the bill. 22.05 plus 55.12. That comes out to $77.17. So the markup, you find the percent of the markup, that's going to be the increase in the price, and you add that to the original cost. That will tell you the total bill. And again, if I want to check it, come back here, number 12, markup, total cost. Okay, markup and total cost is the third kind. And then I'm going to come down here. The last kind is called discount. It's very similar. Everything is around percentages. Okay, Rob wants to buy a scooter. It's 30% off. The original price is $185.44. So I'm going to put my $185.44 right there. That's the original price. I'm getting 30% off of that price. So I need to find the discount. So I'm going to cross multiply 30 times 185.44 divide by 100, and it tells me 55.63 when I round it. That is how much I'm getting off. Now a discount is less. So when you go shopping and you say you get a discount, I have to now subtract those. So I'm going to do 185.44 minus 55.63, and now my actual price is $1.29.81. I saved some money. Okay, so we have discount and sale price and original price. This is your discounted percent. This is your original price, or 100%. Okay, I'm going to do number 23 also, because it's both steps. So the original price, that's your 100%. The discount percent is there. I'm going to find the discount, 55 times 41.41, divide by 100. So it says 22.775. So it's actually 22.78. So I'm getting that off of my price. So I have to take 41.41 minus 22.78. And my final cost, the sale price, $18.63. And again, I can check that answer, number 23. And if I get it wrong, I just recheck it. Okay, so those are the four kinds of answers, four kinds of problems on this sheet.